Hi, my name's David Kenworthy. I live in Gloucestershire in the United Kingdom. I've been trading now for good three and a half years, and I've been with William now for around about 8 months. When I first started trading, it was a lot of shot in the dark. I had no real strategy. Everything I seemed to do seemed to lead to a loss. I've blown up countless accounts. I did start with demo, moved on to live accounts, continual losses, and then my lucky day came when I discovered William online, made contact with him, very quick to respond, really great guy to deal with, very supportive. So I joined. I went for the full platinum package and delved straight into the whole learning process, and from that day forward my trading changed completely. I've gone from being a inconsistent losing trader to a consistent profitable trader. My account grows on a nice regular basis, and the stress that I was going through beforehand is no longer there, because I'm following simple rules that are set out for me, and the whole process is just made a hell of a lot easier, and it's all thanks to William. I can't thank him enough, and his team, who are incredibly supportive also. And all I can say to those of you that are considering joining William's program, crack on, do it. You won't be disappointed. It's a great system, very easy to follow, and the support you get from William and his team is second to none. So yeah, I hope this really helps you guys in making the decision. Make the right one. Don't continue to be a losing trader. Trust in William's strategies, and get on and start making some money. Thanks, guys.